my dear students, how are you? I am your Rajeshwari Didi, back with one more experiment. Today we are going to see sound. Rajeshwari Didi, what did you say? See sound? Yes, we are going to see sound. But before that, let us understand how sound is produced. Sound is produced when objects vibrate. So when I am speaking, how is the sound produced? My vocal cords vibrate. You can keep your hand on your neck and feel it. Whenever you are speaking, you can feel the vibrations on your neck. So today we are going to see how the sound, or we are going to see the vibrations. So for that we are going to need a glass. You can take a bowl or as well. You are going to need a sheet of rubber. You are going to need a rubber band and some puffed rice. First, you are going to take the rubber sheet and place it on the glass tightly and seal it with the rubber band. Make sure that it is stretched properly and tightly. Now, you are going to place the puffed rice on this rubber sheet. Once that is done, you can take music and you can start playing it and place it on the rubber sheet. You can What did you observe? You observed that the puffed rice were dancing. Now why this happened? When the music was played on the phone, the speaker started to vibrate, and because of the vibration, the air particles also started to vibrate, and once the air particles started to vibrate, it made the stretched rubber band vibrate, and because of the vibration, the puffed rice started to dance. That is how the sound is passed from one person to another. So when I am speaking, my vocal cord starts to vibrate and the sound is produced, which passes through the air, which makes the air particles vibrate, and then it reaches your ear, and inside the ear, the eardrums start to vibrate, and that is how you can hear the sound. I hope you understood the concept of sound and vibration. Thank you so much.